Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Lutfi bin Samsul Amri. So today in this video, me and my friend Arif will present our group project for STA 150 Chapter 2 Counting and Probability for Set G. Question 2.22. In a medical study, patients are classified in 8 ways according to whether they have blood type AB+, AB negative, A+, A negative, B+, B negative, O+, or O negative, and also according to whether their blood pressure is low, normal, or high. Find the numbers of ways in which a patient can be classified. This is the solution for question 2.22. First, we have to draw the tree diagram according to the information that has been given. For the first row, P stands for patient, and the second row is the blood type, and for the last row is the blood pressure, which is L stands for low, N for normal, and H for high. To find the possible ways patient can be classified, we just have to multiply the number of blood type and blood pressure. So 8 multiplied by 3, we will get 24 possible ways. Question 2.32. Question A. How many 6 people can line up to get on a bus? For the solution, according to the theorem, the number of permutation of n object is n factorial. So, we just have to substitute the n with value of 6. So, the answer is 6 factorial equal to 720 ways. For question B, if 3 specific persons among 6 insist on following each other, how many ways are possible? For the solution, first we observe these 3 specific persons as 1 person. Then we have 4 persons instead of 6 persons. Based on the rule, first operation is n1 equal to 4 factorial, and second operation is n2, which is 3 factorial. So, n1 multiplied by n2, we will get 144 ways of arrangement. Question C. If 2 specific persons among 6 refuse to follow each other, how many ways are possible? The solution, we find out that way 2 specific persons refuse to follow each other. With all possible ways, 6 people can be lined up minus with ways 2 specific persons will follow each other. We will provide that 6 factorial is all possible ways, and 5 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial are ways 2 specific persons will follow each other. So, to get the answer, we just have to write 6 factorial minus in bracket 5 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial and get the answer 480 ways. Question 2.82. For married couples living in a certain suburbs, the probability that the husband will vote on bond referendum is 0.21. The probability that the wife will vote on referendum is 0.28, and the probability that both the husband and wife will vote is 0.15. Question A. What is the probability that at least one member of a married couple will vote? So, for the solution, we need to find probability of H union with W using addition rules. So, probability of H union with W is equal to probability of H plus probability of W minus with probability of H intersect with W. So, we will get 0.21 plus 0.28 minus 0.51 and get 0.34 as for the answer. Question B. What is the probability that a wife will vote given that a husband will vote? For the solution is, we have to find the probability W given H. Based on conditional probability rule, the formula probability of W given H is equal to probability H intersect with W divided by probability of H. So we will calculate and get 0.15 divided by 0.21 and get the answer is 0.7143. Question C. What is the probability that a husband will vote given that his wife will not vote? So the solution for this question is, we need to find the probability of H given W prime. So probability of H given W prime is equal to probability of H intersect with W prime divided by probability of W prime. So first, we need to find probability of H intersect with W prime. To find this, probability H intersect with W prime is equal to probability of H minus with probability of H intersect with W. So 0.21 minus by 0.15, we will get 0.06. Next, we need to find the probability of W prime. Probability of W prime is equal to 1 minus by probability of W. So 1 minus with 0.28 is equal to 0.72. So the last answer is probability of H given W prime is 0.06 divided by 0.72 and we will get 0.0833 as the answer.
Okay, so we go to the next question, which is in the chapter 3, topic continuous random variable. So we go to the question 3.7. The total number of hours measured in units of 100 hours that a family runs a vacuum cleaner over a period of 1 year in a continuous random variable x that has the density of function. So we look at the function x, where x greater than 0 and less than 1, and function 2 minus x, where x greater than 1 and lower than 0, and when fx equals 0, x is elsewhere. So the question is, find the probability that over a period of 1 year, a family runs their vacuum cleaner A less than 120 hours, and the question B between 50 and 100 hours. And we go to the solution for the question A, that the family runs their vacuum cleaner less than 120 hours. We notice that the question used unit of 100 hours, so we can define that 120 hours as 1.2. So the solution is, we integrate x with limits 0 and 1 dx plus integrate 2 minus x with limit 1 and 1.2 dx. Noted that the function of x, where limit of x is 0 and 1, and the function of 2 minus x when the limit of x 1 and 2. So we use both of the function to solve this question. So we integrate and we substitute the value, and the last answer we got 0.68. So we go to the solution for the question B. There is between 50 and 100 hours. We can say that the limit of this question is 0.5 and 1. So noted that again, the function we use on the first function, the fx equal x, where x greater than 0 and lower than 1. So the solution is, we integrate function x with limit 0.5 and 1 dx, and then we integrate, substitute the value, and the final answer we got 0.375. So alright, so we go to the next question, 4.22. The hospitalization period in days for patients following treatment for a certain type of kidney disorder is a random variable y equal x plus 4, where x has the density function. So we can see the function is 32 over x plus 4 bracket cube, where x greater than 0. So the question is, find the average number of days that a person is hospitalized following treatment for this disorder. So for this question, we can see that the question actually wants us to find the mean. So in order to find the mean, we can see the formula of mean that we integrate the function x with the lower limit and upper limit, and we multiply with fx dx. So this is the formula of mean. So go back to the solution. We use ey equal e bracket x plus 4, and then we use the formula of mean, and we substitute the value, and we got integrate x plus 4 with limit 0 infinity multiply with 32 over x plus 4 cube dx, and then we integrate, substitute the value, and then the last answer we got 8.